So hello everyone. Today we were going to learn the history of Pakistan 1. In previous video we learned about Islam, about Safed Taif Qissa, and now my channel name is going to be changed from Islamic Tunes to the World Studies. To the world studies, we will change the name to the world studies. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to learn history of Pakistan 1, and in this history of Pakistan 1 we will learn a question number 1 of 1857 C, War of Independence. And like this we will we will do studies about it. Now let's start. And the War of Independence did not break out as consequences of a single event but due to various political, economic and social reasons. And this means the War of Independence did not break out as consequence of a single event but due to various political, economic and social reasons that led the people of the subcontinent to rebel against the British rule. The trigger for the war was a new kind of refill cartridge that was made from pig and cow fat. The soldiers had to tear open the cartridge with their teeth. To load their refills, the Muslims and Hindus were upset. The Muslims and Hindus were upset as it was against their religious beliefs, so they refused to use the greased cartridges as a result war broke out against British. All thought the Hindus and Muslims were defeated in the War of Independence in 1857. It created a discord among those who united against the British in the beginning. And this is a meaning type of. So I will tell you, this is in Urdu. When Hindus and Muslims were together and the War of Independence, and there was a war with British, and there were Hindus and Pakistan together. So when they were defeated, Hindus and Muslims, when they were defeated, so the Hindus were changed party to the they were together, and then we changed the party to the British. So that's why today is the War of Independence Day, and we celebrate it too. And today, the 90% of our whole, first of all, it is called an Hindustan, when Pakistan and India was not the name of these two countries. They were together and it was no country, so it was named Hindustan. So the Qaid-e-Azam Ali Jinnah, and he do the cases in the court, and there was so fight between it, and he separated Pakistan in a little place of it, and Indian war have a little place. Have so much place means 90% we have India and 10% we have. And like this, when it was separated, so there, and Indians don't know about Kashmir, so the Kashmir was getting in Pakistan. So half Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, is in India and half Kashmir is in Pakistan. So that's why the fight is being on. That's why Muslims and Indians fight that the Kashmir is so like this Indian attack on Palestine to take the Kashmir, but now the COVID is on. Now COVID is spreading so much. So please, so that's why India leave Palestine, and like this our country was separated by India. With India separated, and the Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah is type of a president of our country, and Rama Iqbal get a dream about Pakistan. So this was our little bit story about history of Pakistan once. So first of all, go and like our channel and let's end the video. Bye bye. Take care till then. Take care till then. Bye bye. Yeah.